How was your day? How was your day? It was good. It was good. What do you like to eat? What do you like to eat? I like to eat chicken biryani. I like to eat chicken biryani. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready. Can I sit here? Can I sit here? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Do you have any brothers or sisters? Yes, I have one brother. Yes, I have one brother. What's your hobby? What's your hobby? My hobby is gardening. My hobby is gardening. Do you like watching movies? Do you like watching movies? Yes, I watch movies on weekends. Yes, I watch movies on weekends. What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time? I read books or listen to music. I read books or listen to music. Where did you go yesterday? Where did you go yesterday? I went to my friend's house. I went to my friend's house. Did you enjoy the party? Did you enjoy the party? Yes, it was great. Yes, it was great. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza. How do you go to school? How do you go to school? I go by bus. I go by bus. Do you like your job? Do you like your job? Yes, I like it very much. Yes, I like it very much. What are your plans for tomorrow? What are your plans for tomorrow? I will visit my cousin. I will visit my cousin. Do you play any sports? Do you play any sports? Yes, I play football. Yes, I play football. Can I call you later? Can I call you later? Sure, no problem. Sure, no problem. Do you like traveling? Do you like traveling? Yes, I love traveling. Yes, I love traveling. What's your father's name? What's your father's name? My father's name is Korim. My father's name is Korim. What's your mother's name? What's your mother's name? Her name is Amina. Her name is Amina. Are you at home? Are you at home? Yes, I am at home. Yes, I am at home. Where are you now? Where are you now? I am in the office. I am in the office. Do you like your teacher? Do you like your teacher? Yes, very much. Yes, very much. What are you studying? What are you studying? I'm studying English. I'm studying English. Are you feeling cold? Are you feeling cold? Yes, a little bit. Yes, a little bit. Do you have money? Do you have money? Yes, I have some. Yes, I have some. Where is your school? Where is your school? It's near my house. It's near my house. What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. My favorite subject is English. What do you do every morning? What do you do every morning? I brush my teeth and take a bath. I brush my teeth and take a bath. Do you like rain? Do you like rain? Yes, I love rain. Yes, I love rain. Can you speak slowly? Can you speak slowly? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. What time is your class? What time is your class? It's at 9 a.m. It's at 9 a.m. Do you like sweets? Do you like sweets? Yes, I like sweets. Yes, I like sweets. What are you listening to? What are you listening to? I am listening to a song. I am listening to a song. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Yes, I am very hungry. Yes, I am very hungry. Are you angry with me? Are you angry with me? No, not at all. No, not at all. Can I help you? Can I help you? Yes, please. Yes, please.